Hey everyone, got a package to open and I've got a couple of helpers here to help me check out all the new stuff.
Hello.
Alright, so this package comes from Stirling, one of my favorite vendors. And I picked up a set that had been on my list for a while. And I picked up quite a few samples. They came out with a handful of special scents for fall, so I picked up quite a few of those. And then handful of scents that I just wanted to revisit because it had been a while since I've tried them, and I feel like my tastes have changed just a little bit the past couple of years.
Kind of nervous because when me and Mom were at the home store, we smelled a bunch of the fall candles and they did not smell good.
I really like that tangerine one the tangerine soap.
That was a Stirling soap, yes,
Really?
for Family
I like
Week.
these.
I like the 345 soaps.
So this probably won't air till next week, but BBS Live's theme of the week this week was Family Week. So these guys and my wife picked out my soaps for the week.
This week or next week?
This week. So I already
But it'll
used.
be aired next week.
Okay.
I used your tangerine,
All right.
and I used your sister's
Shipwreck and then
Shipwreck
Grant.
and Grant. That's right. I already used those. So Stirling packages everything well, and they use mostly recycled. They don't use packing peanuts very often. I think I've gotten a couple of shipments with those, but most of the time they use the recycled cardboard shavings.
5
Oh,
soaps.
wow,
the
that's
best.
some stuff
That's
packaging.
So they
lot.
package everything together there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's like a whole nugget of shaving stuff.
Reminds me of the basketball team.
Basketball team.
Yeah, there's a basketball team called the Nuggets.
Yeah, Denver.
Mm-hmm.
The Denver
All right.
Nuggets.
So the first thing I got is Duke. This is one I had a sample of the aftershave, and I enjoyed it enough to pick up the full tub. It smells nice.
Yeah, it smells good.
Smells kind of oceany.
Oceany?
Kind of like
Ocean.
chlorine.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
that. Kind of aquatic notes.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of has a powdery touch to it as
Yeah.
well. Yeah, it's a good scent. I don't remember if this one was based on something or not, but it's kind of a cologne-like scent. So I got the soap and the matching aftershave. So the next thing I got was an EDT, Intrepid Man.
I was reading the back when you were holding it up.
So this is based on one of the Creed scents. I can never remember which one. But it very quickly became one of my favorite soaps. I picked it up this year, and this might be my favorite scent I've found in a long time.
It smells really good. I don't really know if it smells like
That smells like a cologne.
Yeah.
Like
It's very much a cologne scent.
Yeah, I don't know if it reminds me of anything, but I feel like it does.
these
just
all
don't
smell
know it.
kind of modern.
So to me, this has kind of a minty note to it there's no mint notes in the scent notes, but that's kind of something that hits me as kind of a minty feel to it. But yeah, really like that one. I got one more EDT. This is one that was on clearance. They re-released a bunch of these. Originally released them Black Friday last year, and they re-released them for summer drops this year. So I got the soap and aftershave for this one, and I liked it enough that I decided to pick up the EDT as well.
That smells good.
I like that.
So this is iniquity for him, which is based on, what is it based on? It's based on a cologne.
It smells good, whatever it is.
I don't remember what it's based on, but it's based on a cologne, and I really like it. It's got some citrus notes on the top that kind of brighten everything up. So
Smells
I
good.
really like that one. So the next thing I got was a sample of amorous that they just released for fall. So this soap, they said, it was one of their first formulations when they were trying for Intrepid Man. And they said they got the sandalwood note wrong in this one, that it didn't match up with the scent inspiration that they were going for Intrepid Man. So they reformulated with a different sandalwood note, but they liked this so much that they decided to re-release it. And since I like Intrepid Man so much, I had to pick up a sample.
Do you have a lot of like Mans? Like I know you have the Executive Man one. Is that like this one like the same kind of company thing?
So most of Stirling's Man lines are based off of Creed fragrances. I don't know if that's true for all of them, but I know that's true of Executive Man and of Sharp Dressed Man and Intrepid Man. So I think it's true of most of them. I don't know about all.
Yeah.
These samples are big.
Yeah. Big samples.
What do you think of that one?
I don't know. It kind of smells like smoky.
Smoky?
Yeah, it's like a fruity
Yeah,
barbecue.
I don't know if I like.
It's like a fruity
I don't know if I
campfire
like.
barbecue.
Yeah, I don't know if I like the smoky, but like before
like it.
before I smell that, it smells good.
So they're right. There's a smokiness to it that I suspect if they have a different formulation of sandalwood in this, very well could be that it's just a much more earthy sandalwood. Yeah, I like it. I don't like it as much as Intrepid Man. I'm going to have to use it and see whether or not it's worth picking up a full tub. But I definitely like it. So the next thing I picked up was a whole bunch of aftershave samples, which I typically do. I've been through probably 3/4 of the Stirling scents so far, and I do that by picking up these aftershave samplers. So I usually tack on a handful to every order. So this one is Pearberry.
Reminds me of like a bear.
It kind of looks like Mom's little essential oil jar
So
set.
you guys are going to like this one.
Looks like a
Ooh,
lavender.
it smells good. That one
Huh.
smells really good.
I mean,
I smell it.
the after scent of it is. It
smells
smells
like green apple
that-
Jolly Ranchers.
That's
or something.
exactly what I thought. Green
Yeah.
apple Jolly Rancher.
that's
afterward.
what it
It
smells
smells
like.
good, but at first, it's
I
kind of
like it.
At first, it's a little like right in your face, and
That's-
then at the end, it kind of.
That's
slows
exactly what that smells like to me, is a green apple Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to be pear because I just get green apple.
But I like
candy,
that. That's
Jolly
pretty good.
Rancher specifically.
So the next one I got is Creamy Coconut.
Ooh, I like
I
pineapple.
like coconut and pineapple scents.
Yeah, I like coconut pineapple
Will I like this?
together.
Cinnamon?
It reminds me
Smells like cinnamon.
of like
Why does it smell
like
like?
chopped coconut, like
Why does
shredded
it
coconut.
smell like
It
cinnamon?
smells very much like
Coconut.
fresh coconut. That is exactly what it smells like. There is kind of
I
a
smell
spice.
cinnamon.
Yeah.
There's kind of a spicy note
Mhm.
mixed in there as well. So yeah, that one smells like coconut. Okay, so the next one we got is Weekend in Malibu. I've tried this one before. It kind of just missed. It was really close to being one I wanted. So this is one of the ones I decided to retry and see if it made the cut now. It's definitely nice.
It kind of reminds me. Do you remember that little makeup set I
Reminds
had
me
when
of,
I was
like-
little, and it had like all the lip glosses? It kind
Light-
of smells like one of my lip glosses
It
that I
smells
still
like
have.
light pineapple.
Like pineapple. So to me, it's a very islandy scent. It's got a tad bit of that kind of suntan lotiony
Kind of smells like lip gloss to me.
note to it,
like
but it's got a fruitiness in there too.
Yeah, it smells
nice.
like that one lip gloss that I have. It's like
Yeah.
the bright pink one.
That might be worth picking up. We'll see after I use the aftershave and what it smells like on my skin.
Smells good.
Okay, this one is D503, which is another, I think this is another Creed scent.
What is it called?
But I don't remember. D503.
Reminds
it's
me of,
another-
like a
It's a
droid.
name.
I think it's another
Yeah,
Creed
it could be
scent,
an R2D2 best friend.
but I don't remember which one. So let's see.
They look like Mom's little essential oil jars that she had on her counter.
In my opinion, it looks like Yaya's like little
That's
lavender
nice.
bottles.
Oh, that's what it is.
That smells good.
I think it's Mont Blanc Legend.
It smells like sanitizer.
It smells like
Like it smells like your
I
fancy.
think this might be the one that was
sanitizer.
based off
Yeah.
of Mont Blanc Legend, because I'm actually getting ready to shave with this. It reminds me a bit of Gondolier, which I've heard a lot of people say reminds them of Mont Blanc Legend. All right, so a couple more here. So Waves of Grain. This one I was just really curious about.
Does it smell like bread?
No,
It kind of smells like Dr. Quare's doctor's office. Doesn't
Is
it?
it-
It smells like
a
Dr.
doctor's
Claire's
office?
doctor's
That's
office.
interesting.
It smells.
Doesn't it smell like her office?
It smells like good smelling medicine.
So I'm not sure what I'm smelling. It's definitely
Me
cologne-like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it totally smells like Dr. Claire's doctor's office.
It must be an air freshener they use in there or something.
Maybe, because it smells like exactly like it.
Yeah, I don't mind it, but I don't love it. It's nice, but it doesn't excite me at all. So I probably would pass on that one. So the next one is Southpadre. I think I like that one.
Oops.
What do you guys think?
It's kind of like
Just kind of so.
I'm not quite sure what that smells like.
So this to me has some similarity to Intrepid Man.
I have no idea what it smells like, but it reminds me of.
It smells like something, but I don't know what it smells like.
Familiar.
Maybe a
but I
little
don't
bit
know
of
what it
lime in
smells
there.
like.
So I like that one. That one might be worth getting a full tub of too. Again, sometimes they change when they hit your skin, so sometimes it's hard to know. So that's what I've got for today. So thank you guys for joining us for our unboxing. Thank you to my assistants here.
You're welcome.
So hope you guys.
That was creepy, Jackson. You're welcome.
So thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hello, you have seen me before. I am back again. Okay.
Just say hello.
Just like a normal person.